Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. And today we're going to talk about an absolutely wonderful 2017 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. This boat is really loaded with lots of great equipment and some custom items to really make it a great fishing boat. So we're going to start out back here on the back with the big Mercury Motors. And as you can see, these are the joysticks, the 350s. So these are the Verados, and they are really super tuned and ready to go. This gentleman has spent a lot of time making sure everything is maintained properly. Little bait prep station here on the aft that's been added, as well as the rod holders, like a rocket launcher style rod holder here on the back. Obviously we got the walk-through and the swim platform with the ladder on the aft, as well as our dive door. The ladder is stored underneath the seat, and as you can see, we can close that dive door and have this nice big cockpit back here for all of our fishing needs. Back seat, you'll notice in the photos, does fold down. Really great super area there for riding, especially when you're coming back in after a big day of fishing. Rigging station here with the drawers, as well as the big fish box here with the rounded corners, a light, and the recycling as well. Over in the galley, got a little electric refrigerator there, as well as another bait station here, rounded and with the light in it as well. Sink so that you can mix drinks, rinse off, or whatever that might be, as well as the transom shower back here so we can rinse off coming out of the water. As we go to the helm, this boat has updated brand new Garmin electronics, and it is absolutely loaded. You can see all the items that are on there. Boat has almost 1,200 hours on it, but as I mentioned, the motors and everything have really been serviced, and the boat is absolutely ready to go. This is an owner that if anything needs to be replaced, he not only replaces it on the one motor, if that's where it is, but on both motors as well. Got our helm seat with the bolster that folds down. And then our companion seat, same thing. And of course, it'll go up and down as well. Or you can turn the seat around to make it a pose with this seat so that you can put the table in place and have a dinette there on the port side. On the port side, we got this nice big bunk in here, which actually works well for an area for people to change clothes or to come in the air conditioning. Yes, this boat is air conditioned. Nice skylight here so that you can get natural light in here, reading lamp as well, and storage forward. As we come out of the little bunk area here on the port side, come over to the starboard side, and we've got a nice head cabinet here with a shower, vacuum flush potty, sink, and plenty of room to get in there and again change clothes or take a shower. As we head up to the front, we've got the walk-through here with the door that will close, as well as our center windshield. You'll see that in the photos that'll close across here as well. Forward, we've got a bow cover that'll cover this area for either inclement weather or storage. Right now we have the cushions in place up here in the bow, but you've got lots of great storage, both port and starboard. And one of the things the owner has done on this boat is added another box forward here. And then of course we have the anchor windlass that'll operate from the helm, as well as the control here up front. Got a front shower here as well to rinse off or to wash off the anchor. As we mentioned, lots of electronics on this, including the FLIR night vision, new radar. Really super nice boat. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Give us a call. Want to get this boat out on the water with you for the rest of the season? Go out and catch some of those fish here in the Gulf of Mexico.